Good evening, everyone. This is Lynn from Pepper Peas. As I always say, first and foremost, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into my channel. The video that I'm going to cover today is going to cover items that I picked up from multiple Ollie's, Five Below, Michael's, and Ross and HomeGoods, okay? So I was traveling, so I did a little Ollie hopping. So one of the stores that I went to had these wild and free sheets, these cactus sheets, 10 for $1 naturally. So I grabbed a pack of these. They had these punch out cards. Now, because this is lime and summer and spring are about to be over, I only got 5 of these. And you know what? I'll probably use it sometime next year for something. I got 10 of these sheets. I figured, you know what? These will work well any time of the year. These are some wedding sheets. And so I got 10 of these. Naturally, depending upon what you're working on, this works perfectly, okay? I also got this plaid sheet that was 10 for $1. I got this coordination sheet. I figured, you know what, this will be wonderful for this coming up Christmas if I decide to do something with it. And here's another coordination sheet. It's 8.5 by 11. This is gray and white. I like this. And here is another sheet. This is from the paper company. Now, I'm sure a lot of you have seen this sheet in Hobby Lobby's paper studio, but since they were 10 for $1, I grabbed these, okay? I also got, it's All About Bling, Jolie's All About Bling. These were $1, so I got myself a few packages of this. This I am in love with. This is from Jolie's Boutique. I got a couple of these for myself. I love that. Here are the Heidi Swap Memory Decks cards that I was able to find. Like those a lot. I also came across, these are called the Heidi Swap coloring cards. I like these. These are the months of the year. What I like about this is that even though it has 2000, it left the ending year blank so you could fill it in for yourself. Got these. These were $1. I got some more of these Heidi Swap mink glitter sheets. Naturally, you can see these were $1. I got these sweet sugar bell sheets. Now, this is embossed parchment paper. So here's one set. Here's another set. Another. And these. I figured, you know what, this would be wonderful in my crafting. I came across these Bo Bunny Fanciful Flourish stamps for $1. Got these. These are American Craft Hip Stamp Puree. I got these $1. I got some of this Heidi Swap mink foil. This has, well, you can see it has the pink and a little green in there. These were $1. And let me move these, let me move these things out of the way. I came across the We Are Memory Border Punch Alignment Guide. Now, in the store, I'm going to try to get it in frame here. Let me do this. Okay. There you go. You can see it better here. Oh my goodness. You can see it better. Now, it was $14.99 in the store, but when I look it up, it was $42 in some spots and 50 something in others, okay? Naturally, as we all know, right now, American Crafts website is down because of the fire that they had. But I figured for $15, let me go ahead and grab this. So I believe that's going to cover all of the Ollie's items that I got. I went to Five Below. You guys know I just pop in Five Below every now and then. So first and foremost, I previously purchased these two junk journal sticker books. Watching Leave It to Lisa Crafts, I was encouraged to go back and get myself a couple of more, because when I looked through it again and I looked at her video, you know, these are things that I can use in more of my crafting. So I went ahead and picked up an additional book of each one of these. But I also came across this Coquette sticker book. Now, I like this book. This is really neat. What I like about it is, naturally, most of you already know this, but if you don't, once you finish pulling all of the stickers off of the page, you have the Coquette page to use for scrapbook. So I just really like this. I looked at it for a while, and then I said, you know what, let me go ahead and get this. So I'm just really doing like a quick, I'm doing like a quick flip through. And the reason I'm skipping a couple of pages is because it's the Coquette page. You've seen that. So this is really nice. Naturally, all of these were $5 from Five Below. Okay. I like this book. I think that red chair kind of got me a little bit too. And then the Coquettes, they're just pretty. Nice. Okay. Cute. These are really pretty. We're almost finished. Okay, that was it. Okay, so it is the Coquette sticker book, okay? Then I kind of crept over to HomeGoods. You guys know I love some foil. So here is a set of foil placemats. Is this not gorgeous? You cannot tell me that these are not gorgeous. I ended up getting these for $5. Is this not gorgeous? Oh my goodness, I love this. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely love this. Gorgeous. Then I ended up going to Ross for a quick second. On the Ross, I came across these memory planner. I came across these happy planner sticker planning guides, okay? These were $2.99. So I just went ahead and grabbed this pack, okay? When I got back home, I said, well, you know what? Let me just venture into Michael's. To be honest, I went to Ollie's to see what they had. I wasn't really happy about a lot of things. And then I went to Michael's, just walking around in there to see what they had. And I ended up coming, naturally, you know I love these. I got another bag of what they call bead landing. These are leather strips. The reason I got this one, as you can tell, it's got more of the black and tan or cognac look to it. And so as I work on several other things, these strips come in really, really handy. And these were like $14, okay? Now you can always get your faux leather, which I do that too. You could always take and get your leather and cut it down yourself, but I just figured, you know what, this is a lot easier for me to just pick up some remnants, right? Now, while I was in Michael's as well, I picked up this fabulous paper pad. Now, this paper pad was created in March of 2026. I'm going to do, it has 180 pages to it. It's 90 GSM. There are 60 designs, with there being 3 sheets of each design. So I'm just going to try my best to start from the back. Now, I did not need this paper pad because I have what's called the world map pad from, let me start, I can't do it from the back. I have the world map pad from Park Lane some time ago, okay? But I wanted this one because it's a 12 by 12. And I like how the pages look in here. So I'm trying my best to do this really quickly, okay? These are nice. I like this. Here's another one. Nice. I like this a lot. Like this. Pretty much, to be honest with you, I like all of them. I can't really say right now that there's one sheet that I like more than the other. This is nice. This is very nice. Pretty. I know this is a little light, but this is very nice too. Pretty. Like I said once again, I like the entire pad. This is nice. This is very light. It's very nice. So this pad was $19.99, but this week Michael's has a sale of buy one get one half off. So I ended up getting myself 2 of these. I like this a lot. I ended up getting myself 2 of these. Nice. These hues are wonderful. That's really pretty. And this can be used in a lot of different ways. The creativity, this is just pretty to me. I'm glad to see they came out with this pad too. And if, you know what, if it's an older pad and they just revitalize it, I am okay with that too. Nice. Like this one a lot. Cute. Love this. Nice. Look at this. This is so nice. I like this. Like I said, once again, I like the entire pad. It's colorful. It can be used in your shabby chicness. It can be used in your modern day traditional types of journals. It can be used in a whimsical one. It can be used from a vintage perspective. Look at this. It can be used from a vintage perspective. It can be used in so many different ways. To me, the possibilities are limitless. And I like the paperweight too. It's a good, healthy balance between heavy cardstock and that 80, 60, 80 GSM. I like it a lot. I really do. This is nice. I keep saying it's nice because, I mean, guys, really, it is. It's very nice. Pretty. And I like its versatility right now. Pretty. Look at that. It's so pretty. I want to make sure I'm not skipping pages, okay? So nice. This is cute. It helps when you have good, you know, if you're not a person that likes to go and look for like atlases and things of that nature, this paper pad, you know, this paper pad right here really does cover a gamut of things that will allow you to add to your crafting if you are one that likes to incorporate maps and things of that nature. I love this. I absolutely love this a lot. Nice. It's nice to me. It's so useful. Oh, I love this. This is my last page. Look at this, so pretty. So once again, I don't even know what this is called. Let me see. It doesn't say. Here's another thing too. They're not telling us what the name of these paper pads are. We just have a cover sheet, okay? So if you'd be so kind as to take a look at this cover sheet. This is $19.99. And if you choose to purchase this and another pad, the other pad will be half off. Or if you choose to purchase another pad and this, either way, one is going to be full price and one is going to be half off. Love this so very much. Everyone, this is going to conclude my haul of Michael's, Ollie's, Ross, HomeGoods, and Five Below. If you would be so kind as to subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again. Go check out the stores and see if you can find these things if you are interested. And take care. I greatly appreciate it. Have a good day.